Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix low brightness problem on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Disable reduce white point. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap on display and text size. On the display and text size page, scroll down, turn off reduce white point. Method number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shut down. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 3. Turn off zoom. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap on zoom. Turn off zoom if it's on. Method number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.